Hi, my name is Lindsay and this is Carla. We are Diaspora Capital. You may have heard about thousands of unaccompanied minors crossing the border into the United States. What you may not have heard so much about is that they are fleeing violence and gang activity in their home countries. El Salvador has tried to address this problem through mass incarceration and the militarization of police, but these measures don't work. What does work is violence prevention programs. They just don't get the funding they deserve.
That's why we're coming with a model, Pay for Success, financial mechanism, which is going to help bring different actors to solve these root causes of the problem. And did you know that just by remittances, like Salvadorians sent $4.5 billion, if we could just get 1% of that, it would be double amount of what the government in El Salvador invests in current issues in violence. So we're trying to get and pull capital from the diaspora communities and bring them to have agency to solve these issues. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Victor Villalobos. I am co-founder of the Diabetes Remission Project, a project that aims to reverse diabetes in people around the world. Right now in the world there are more than 425 million people with diabetes, and every year more than 10 million people are diagnosed. As we talk now, 200 more people are going to get diagnosed with the disease. There is no cure for the disease, but thanks to the last 5 years of scientific progress, we can at least try to achieve remission of diabetes in the population. Our solution offers to people three things: to reduce the amount of drugs they use, to lower the pain that they experience when they suffer of complications of diabetes, and the most important one, to bring back hope to them, that they can control and reverse the disease. How do we do this? We develop a software with an algorithm that can guide and empower the physician to give this treatment to people, and also an app that can help the patient to adhere to the treatment. Thank you.
Hello, I am Guru and I am co-founder of a homestay project called Lively Stays. Uttarakhand is one of the most beautiful states of India. It is called Switzerland of the East. In Uttarakhand there is a peculiar problem. In a last year research, out of 16,000 villages, 1,000 villages became ghost villages. It is because people are migrating from the villages. So our company Lively Stays has a solution for it. We will train the people of the villages in homestays and make them successful entrepreneurs, and we will also market their homestay products through our artificial intelligence web portal. So we have developed Lively, a virtual assistant to help a tourist to book their tour program, and that virtual assistant will be with him till the tour is complete. And we will train the homestay owners in the hospitality business, and we'll make them our customers. How we differ from Airbnb? We differ basically, our customers are our partners. The homestay owner is a partner in our business, and he's not a mere thumbnail in the website. So we ask you to invest $50,000 in our company. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Daniel, the co-founder of Pharaoh. The internet is great, isn't it? In seconds we have millions of search results, thousands of online courses, and hours of video. But have you ever stopped and thought about, is the internet the best place to learn? Let me give you one stat. A recent study found that 92% of all online course users never actually finish the course. There's a mismatch here. There's something about the online course that doesn't provide the in-person brain physical connections that's happening in person, and it also doesn't provide the peer accountability that happens. Like, let's say we go to the gym together, that's peer pressure. So that's where Pharaoh comes in. It's an app that connects curious learners with experts and enthusiasts for in-person skill sharing. Teachers begin by posting about who they are, their qualifications, and previous work. Learners can then browse by these teachers and select who they want to meet, and they meet in person at a time convenient for them. We're trying to build a community around learning, around sharing skills that are fun, like photography, professional development, cooking, car repair. You can think of Uber is for ride sharing, Airbnb is for home sharing, and Pharaoh is for skill sharing. We want to bring the learning offline, and we want to do it with your help. Thanks so much.
My name is Michael, and I represent Easy as Pie. So the Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children, or WIC, provides critical health and food services for millions of low-income children. However, many millions more go underserved. by using 20th century technology to serve 21st century families, the WIC program is failing to meet its true potential goal of enrolling millions more children. And that's where Easy as Pie comes in. Easy as Pie is an all-in-one smartphone application that provides critical services in providing nutrition education, resource management, and a peer support network for WIC program participants. We are currently in the process of developing our minimum viable product, and we are looking for prospective collaborators who would be excited to join us on our journey to address this mission critical issue.
Hi, my name is Joshua and I'm representing Today. So there are two people that make up Today. It's the Nigerians in the diaspora and small businesses locally. Small businesses aren't able to monetize on their ideas because they have lack of finances and a lack of understanding of who exactly the customer is. The second demographic is Nigerian in the diaspora that wants to connect back home, but there's no channel to do so. And that's where we come in. We are creating a platform where Nigerian artists and entrepreneurs can put their products online to reach the rest of the world. And what that does is that it creates a channel where these people in the diaspora, as well as anyone else interested in the culture, can funnel their time, thoughtfulness, and money into seeing the change we want to see for our country. The profits from our sales will go not only to the artisans, but into our 3,000 Kids initiative, where we'll be providing learning resources for children in the Western Nigeria, in both primary and secondary schools. This is an opportunity for us to even the playing field for the people that have felt like they were underrepresented. We're trying to give an opportunity for people to feel like the good life, whether that be through access to education or businesses, is achievable, and we can do that together. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone. People are mobile. Look at how the tourism industry exploded. Airbnb came in and was like, we don't need hotels. Anyone, anywhere, can actually run their own little hotel at home. Boom. But then the trick is actually how many people have an extra room to rent for the night. It's not so common. Now, how many of you have an empty space during the day, which is a common space? Boom. I'm the co-founder of Open House, and we are the Airbnb of work, for work, let's say. So it allows anyone, anywhere to run your own co-working space at home. It's a micro-rental platform of homes for mobile workers, and that's 1 in 3 workers in the US. Like, you can change your workspace anytime you want, you can meet new professionals, and you can help your local community. Invest in us, invest in Open House. Thank you.
I'm Roger, and I'm representing Toki Hub. Self-discovery, international dialogue, passions, all essential to education. You and I, we know that. We've all been through education. We also know that it's imperfect. We are Toki Hub. Here at our summer camp, we try to provide Japanese high school students with passions that they can't achieve from the normal classroom. Unlike other summer camps, our passionate team of counselors create workshops every single year, attempting to teach what they truly love. There's no better way to learn something than from someone who actually loves doing it. And through this process, counselors and students alike become inspired. We become mutual motivators, and we become a family. Are you ready for the best summer of your life?
What is that?
Self-discovery, international dialogue, passions. All essential to education. You and I, we know that. We've all been through education. We also know that education is imperfect. We're Toki Hub. Here at Toki Hub, we try to provide Japanese high school students with what they cannot achieve, what they cannot receive within a standard classroom. Our passionate team of counselors create new workshops every single year to convey what they truly love to do. There's no better way to learn, to be educated than from someone who truly loves doing that very thing you're trying to learn. So, are you ready for the best summer of your life? I think I forgot.
Okay, 0 plus 3, 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0. Imagine, for the 967 million of our children worldwide who are below level in math literacy, what it will mean to experience math in a way that is whole body learning, meaningful and healing. My name's Cecilia Domino, founder of Chords for Progression, the first education program that gets students caught up to grade level. We merge math with musicianship, dance, and the visual arts in order to boost academic performance, facilitate language learning, and promote socio-emotional healing, starting with refugee and asylee students. We're seeking a passionate teammate to join Chords and revolutionize education with us. Our main need is for fundraising and partnership development. Join us in serving this resilient and tenacious population. Woo!